How to fix there is already a file with the same name in this location error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Sometimes Windows File Explorer doesn't update immediately after changes. This can cause it to display outdated information, like showing an empty folder when a hidden file still exists. If that didn't work, Windows may be hiding files that share the same name. These invisible files can still block new ones with the same name. Open the folder where you want to move or copy the file. Click the View tab in the top menu. Select Show, then choose Hidden Items. See if a hidden file or folder is there with the same name and delete or rename it.